If your short videos are always top at a particular number of views, I mean below 1000 views, then this very particular video is for you, because I'm going to be showing you a practical step by step on how to upload your short videos to get more views. One thing you need to promise me is that you don't need to miss any part of this video, because each part contains a vital information that will help you get more views in your short videos. So I'm going to be on my screen record so that I can show you guys how to upload your YouTube shorts the proper way so as to get more views.
Open your YouTube app in your Android phone or in your iPhone. Okay, it's gonna show you your home feed like this. Okay, one thing you will do is just to click on your shorts video. Go ahead and use the trending sound and recreate
Go
yours.
ahead and use my own to illustrate for you guys. I'll go to my channel. Okay, I'll go to my channel, then click go to shorts. Go to shorts. Okay, so when you see a shorts, let's say you're scrolling, you're watching people's shorts and you see my own or you see anybody's own. So what you will do is that you click, this is what I do. I'll go ahead and click this sign here, this very particular one. I'll click on it, then I'll now click on use this sound. Okay, I'll click on use this sound. So when I'll click on use this sound, I'll recreate my own shorts. Okay, make my own short video. If it's 2 seconds, if it's 3 seconds, if it's 6 seconds, I'll recreate my own shorts. If it's acting, I will act according to the sound. If it's dancing, I will dance according to the sound. Okay, so that is what you will basically do. If you are watched up to this point, please do well to like and subscribe. So once you're done acting, okay, once you're done acting, what you will do is that you click on this to give it a title. If you see my short videos, all my short videos, you will notice that I do give my short videos title. Kidnapping went wrong. Kidnapping went wrong. So I'll give it a title. Okay. If you don't like this color, you can click on any color and give it, any background and give it any color background you want. You drag it up to wherever you want it to be. I think being up here is better. So when you're done with giving a title, what you will want to do is you click on next. Okay, when you click on next, this is very important. People should just listen. So it's still loading. You click on this pencil icon here. When you click on the pencil icon, you give the what you want to do here is giving it a thumbnail.
So this thumbnail is the display picture that will attract people to click on your short if your short is being shown to them in their own feed when they click their YouTube app.
I'll just drag it to wherever I want it to be. That place will be my. Once you're done with this, you click on good icon. So then, very important, you give your short a title. Kidnapping gone wrong. So any title you want to give your this thing, your short. Then I love giving my shorts tags, and my favorite tags are hashtags are YouTube, hashtag funny, and hashtag trend. If you check all my YouTube shorts, you will notice that these three hashtags are not missing when it comes to my YouTube shorts. So once I'm done, if you notice, you see that this short is in private. This is very, very important. Keep your shorts in private. Make sure you keep it. No, it's not made for kids. I don't like putting location, okay, so that it will not be limited to just that very particular place. This is altered content. You say no, your content is not altered. So your content is in private, very important. No, it is not made for kids. So you now click on upload shorts. Go back to your YouTube studio after 24 hours, and so after 24 hours, I want to make this video in public. As you all can see, this video is still in private. Okay, so you're going to make it public after 24 hours or 48 hours. This is one of the secrets if you want your short to get more views. I want to share with you guys is that the time you post your video, you make your video public, really matters. Okay, my own time that I post my short video is usually 7:30 a.m., 8:30 a.m. or 6 p.m. So and it has been working for me. Okay,
Yeah, so the time you post your short video matters a lot. So figure out the time, but I will advise you to start posting by 6 p.m. So when you start posting by 6 p.m., you check your audience. Yeah, so if you really need to adjust, you know when to adjust and all of that. So you're going to click on this pencil icon. Okay, then you click on private, click on public, then you have to change. This is what we call optimization. You title it. Okay, delete the title, retitle it, retitle it, give it another title that is related to the old title. So you can just say, or you can still just type kidnapping gone wrong again, but you just need to delete the old typing. Okay, so let me just add a laughter emoji. Kidnapping gone wrong. So then I'll now add that hashtag I told you guys that I love adding YouTube. Hashtag funny and hashtag trend. So once you're done, copy the title and paste it in your description. So you come here and click on these tags. You add the same hashtag, you add it as your tag YouTube funny trend. You can include shorts. So this is how to and style. That is my own category. You can add your own category depending on your niche. If you are into entertainment niche, people and blogger, a blogger, just add your niche, okay, your category. So the reason why I still keep my own at how to and style is that my channel is in how to and style, so I love putting it in how to and style. I don't want to confuse the algorithm. So in this altered content, I'll click on altered content. No. So this is just okay for me. Everything is set. What I will do now is to click on save, and this video will be public. Please, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe. Drop your comments in the comment section, okay? It will mean a lot to me. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.